Hello guys and welcome to Maison Modern, Cameroon's fastest growing furniture manufacturing company. And here we have a beautiful, lovely stepped kitchen. You will see it's stepped because you have the lower cabinet pressed right in and the top coming out. You will see we have a beautiful long countertop here done with black granite, as you can see, starting from right here all the way to the end down there, guys. We have the sink in place and we have the gas plate in place, the extractor. All we gotta do now is do the tiling, which will run around here, as you can see, making it even more beautiful all around up to there. You will see, guys, we have a lovely island in place. It has 6 drawers on each side, very smooth sliding drawers without any handles at all. And then the top, the island top here is 240 centimeters, whopping 240 by 110. Very, very good original granite. And on this side here, you see we have the fridge, 2 doors over here for those of you who like to use the fridge as often as you can. There you go, you can have it, and microwave and the oven in place. We are a Cameroon manufacturing company. We make all types of furniture, from sofas, dining table, kitchen fittings, office furniture, beds, office, whatever it is. Contact us on the number at the end of this video. Like it, share it, repost it. My name is Leonie. Peace and ciao.